Having looked at how incoming goods are processed in our warehouse in the previous sections, let's now have a look at how shipping orders, like orders from retail customers, are picked, packed, and prepared for shipping. Click New to create a new picking request manually. Click on the arrow in the type field and select Shipment from the drop-down. Confirm with OK. An empty picking request has been created. Now we need to add the ordered items to the request. Click on Positions to select the ordered items. The Positions window opens. Now we can add the 2 ordered items and the corresponding quantity. Item 10 was ordered once and item 11 twice. Click on item 10 in the table to select it. Enter 1 in the quantity field in the middle area, select Piece in the drop-down and click on Load. Click on item 11 in the table to select it, enter 2 in the quantity field in the middle area, click on Load, and then click on Ready in the bottom left corner. Now the picking request has to be released. Select the newly created shipment and click on Release Shipment. Then confirm by clicking on Release. Now that the shipment is released, a pick list can be created for it. Click on the burger menu icon in the top right corner of the screen and select Picking Strategy from the drop-down menu. Click on New. A customized picking strategy can be created according to your specific needs. This strategy is then applied to the automatic creation of picking lists. Bitergo WMS supports various options such as multi-order picking or separation of whole pallets and picking positions. Click on Cancel and then on OK to close the picking strategy window. Select the released picking request and click on Pick List to create a new pick list. After having picked, the items have to be brought to Packing Station 1 where they will be packed in an adequate shipping carton. Click on the Destination field and select PA1 from the drop-down. Click on the Reservation field and select FIFO with Unpack, then confirm with OK. FIFO stands for First In, First Out and means that the products that are stored first in, should also be shipped first out. Choose with Unpack because the items have to be taken from a full pallet. Both items have been added to a new pick list. Now this pick list can be sent to the colleagues on the shop floor so they can process the order. Click on Release Pick List. Confirm with Release. The pick list has now been released and is available for further processing on the shop floor with a picking mobile app.